Hello YouTubers, my name is Zack Mack. I am a blind individual and I thought I'd give you guys a demonstration of how I work on the Mac. I'm going to start off first by looking up a YouTube video. And for YouTube, I use a program called MacTubes. I'm going to slow the speech down for you for a little bit. Okay. Alright. I'm in the search edit field here, so we just type in what we want. Okay. Okay. I have to keep right arrowing here to find the table with the search results. Interact with this.
Interact with table. Row 1. What image? John Mayer. No such thing. Time.
Okay. Now to play this, I press space, like so.
John Mayer.
Okay.
MacTubes has a window.
Get a little bit of volume.
50%. Okay.
So every time you hit a button it talks?
Yes.
What's the name of that program?
This is called MacTubes. It's a free app for the Mac that you can use to look at YouTube videos. I use this a lot more than I really would Safari to use YouTube. But there is one thing that I have noticed with this. MacTubes, for certain videos that they have on YouTube, they're not allowed to play with MacTubes. So if you come across any videos that are MacTubes that tells you that it can't play using this embedded player, MacTubes, you have to use Safari for that, and it'll give you the it'll ask you it'll tell you to either open URL in Safari or cancel. So that's pretty much how I use what I usually do for MacTubes, or for looking for YouTube videos and stuff.
Oh, that's nice. Well, can you look up like Facebook?
Absolutely.
Finder.
I'm going to do this.
Done.
Open up Safari.
Safari. Finder. Desktop. Safari.
Okay.
Open location. Facebook.
I've got Facebook already pasted into the address area. And those clicks that you hear are progress bars.
Let's see. So, alright, well you've already...
Okay.
Does it speak to you in Facebook?
Yes, absolutely. I just keep, see, this is the top part of the Facebook page here.
0 requests. Pop-up button.
Tells me that I've got 0 friend requests.
0 messages. Pop-up.
No messages.
9 notifications. Pop-up.
9 notifications.
Leaving banner entering search. Search for people. Places in place. Search. Combo box.
And this is the search field. And if I tab here,
Search for people. Search for people. How are you feeling, Zack?
okay, now I'm in the area where I could type a status message, which I don't think I'm going to do at this moment because I really don't know what to say. Yeah.
Well, are you able to look up if a recipe, if you need a recipe for cooking chicken, are you able to go through the web?
Oh, yeah, I can, but I also have a list of recipes on one of my externals. Let me close out this window in Safari. I'll just leave Safari open for now. Alright,
Finder.
here's the Finder. This is sort of like Windows Explorer if you're using Windows. I'm going to open up one of my external hard drives. I've got 2 of them connected, as you can see. This one right here is my portable one. This is a 300 gig. And this big one down here, I don't know if you can see that. This is a terabyte.
Oh, okay.
That's my big drive. That's what I keep a lot of my stuff on. So I'm going to open this up with, to open anything up using VoiceOver, when you're on the Finder, you press Command O, and it opens up the drive. So I'm going to press that now.
Open WD drive window toolbar.
Okay. And I'm not using a normal Apple keyboard. I'm using a Logitech K760 solar-powered Bluetooth wireless keyboard. And I'm having to use the laptop layout for VoiceOver because this keyboard does not come with a numpad. So this is pretty much what you're going to be seeing when you're using something like the MacBook Air or the MacBook Pro for the laptop. And I think you also get this if you're using just the regular wireless Apple keyboard. But this keyboard here is especially unique because it can connect to 3 Bluetooth devices at once. It can connect to 3 Apple devices at once because I've got my the Mac Mini right here. This is what I've got, a Mac Mini. That's a mid 2010 model. It's connected to the first Bluetooth button here, and my iPhone, which is the 4S, it's connected to the second one. But anyway, we're going to go back to look at these recipes here in my hard drive. Let me.
Cook's Corner folder.
Okay, I've got everything in here.
List 47 rows added.
All right, now.
Marinated meat folder.
Okay.
Open list view table. 6 rows added.
I'm going to interact with this table.
Interact with chicken folder. Collapsed.
And here's chicken
Open
right there.
List view table.
Now let's say
List view table.
we want to read this. We want to read something.
Dirty rice.txt clip.
Okay.
101 glorious ways to
Okay.
101 glorious ways to cook chicken recipes folder. Collapsed.
Okay, let's go in here.
Open list view table. List view and 101 glorious ways to cook chicken tempura 25.txt. 101
Okay,
glorious ways to cook chicken 1 through 9.txt.
1 through 9. Alright, this is basically a bunch of files. And we're going to open this up.
Open text edit.
And as you can see, it opens up in Text Edit, which is the default text editing app for the Mac, which is a very good app, I must say.
Edit text insertion at beginning.
Now, here we are in the text area. We can read this by using the up and down arrow keys. So let's go up.
Close button.
Oh, well, actually, first of all, I got to turn off the quick nav.
It's 3 o'clock.
And that was my clock telling me that it's 3 o'clock. So, all right.
101.
All right.
Return new line.
We go up like this.
Return new line. 101 glorious ways to cook chicken. 19.
1 through 9.
Return 1. Southern fried chicken.
Everybody likes that, don't they?
Wow. Whoa, yeah, southern fried chicken.
1 2 cup flour. 1 2 teaspoon salt. 1 4 teaspoon pepper. Vegetable oil to dip the 1 inch in skillet.
So that's pretty much how you can read stuff in text edit. You can also do other various things like spell check and stuff like that. You can also save different document files, save them as a different extension, like different type of document, Word 97, DOC, DOCX, RTF, all those different formats. So you can do that pretty cool. And you can do all that, just like you can if you were using anything like, Microsoft Word or Jart or anything like that. You can do that.
Okay. Well, so you can type letters or
yeah,
anything you choose
absolutely.
to?
You can do all that. Another thing I was going to show you. I'm going to show you me checking for software updates. I'm going to close Safari because I don't need that. Let me close this window out.
Desktop. Menu bar. Apple. App. About this software update. Ellipsis.
Okay. And I went to the Apple menu, and this will work anywhere. So you can just go in here, press enter on this, or return. They call it return. And opens up App Store. And you can see there's the App Store right there.
Click that. Copyright. No updates available.
And as you can see, it says no updates available. So.
Oh, that's fantastic. Well, all right. Thank you, Zach.
Absolutely.